Hi, it's Kurt from First Impressions Oriental Rug Cleaning here in Central Florida. We're here when this beautiful rug just came into our shop. We're showing people what we do here with our process. We're going to go ahead and do an inspection of the rug. So we like to get down, look at the size of the rug to make sure that's in good shape. We'll go ahead and look at the fringe to make sure the fringe is secure. And then we'll look at the overall body of the rug to make sure that it doesn't have any moth damage or any deterioration. And so we'll do the evaluation, we'll write it down in here on our invoice, give the client the expectations of what can be done. So our next step will be going into the dusting process. We're going to go ahead and get into the dusting phase of the Oriental rug cleaning here. Basically, this machine gently vibrates the back of the rug, shakes the sand and dirt loose that's accumulated over the years, and it goes right through the grading system down into the rug. This is real safe for the rug, doesn't hurt the rug at all, but definitely gets a lot of soil and dirt out and gets it ready for the cleaning process. So here we go with the dusting process. Okay, so once we get the rug into our wash pit right here, we're going to go ahead and wet it down. Now we're into the shampooing process of the rug. This is a very important process. We've got the rug shampoo sitting into the rug, and now we're going to kick our machine on and go ahead and gently shampoo the fibers of this Oriental rug. Alright, so in this process right here, we're going to go ahead and rinse the rug. Push all that years of soil that have been deeply embedded in the rug. If you look right there, see all that soil coming out of it? So this is our water wand, which gently rinses the rug. It'll bring back all the colors that this rug has. Okay, so attention to small details is very important. We're now going to get into the fringe cleaning process. So we've got our fringe cleaner, we're going to apply to the fringe. We're going to gently work it into the fringe of the rug. Get all those years worth of soil that's down inside that fringe. This rug has had a little bit of abuse over the years, so you'll see the fringe is not completely there, but we're going to go ahead and get it to look the best that we can. Now we've got the rug freshly cleaned, we're going to go into the spinner phase, which is going to basically spin all the water out of this rug and get it ready for the drying process. Okay, once we've got the rug out of the spinner, we're going to go ahead and put it up on our drying rack to finish the drying process. Alright, so it looks like we've got our freshly cleaned rug here. Got years and years of soil out of it, cleaned up very well. It's going to be in the drying process. So I appreciate you watching our video. First Impressions Oriental Rug Cleaning, 407-299-1770.